Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Oriental Public School online teaching platform. Today I'm going to record the class of biology for class 6th. I've already written here. Today the class is going to record for class 6th. The subject is biology and this is our 5th lecture, chapter number 1. The fifth topic or the fifth lecture is about a topic, organ. Today we are going to discuss organ. In today's lecture, you will learn what is organ and what are the different types of organs in animal bodies and in plant bodies. Before proceeding towards the topic organs, I'm going to remind you or recall the previous topics because the previous topics are related to today's topic. Previous topics were which we have studied. The first was cell. What is cell? Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. In other words, we can say that all living organisms are made up of cell, right? Then we have studied the differences between plant and animal cell. After that, we have discussed specialized cells. So this was all about cell. After that, we have discussed about tissues. Tissues, if you remember, we have defined tissues as a group of cells which are similar in shape and structure and they perform same functions. A group of cells which are similar in structure and functions, they form tissues. Group of cells which are similar in structure and functions are called tissues. Right? After tissue, we are coming to our today's topic, which is organ. What is organ? What is organ? The first question arises in our mind. What is organ? The definition of organ I have already written here. Organ is a group of tissues which all work together to do a particular job. What is organ? Organ is a group of tissues which all work together to do a particular job. दूसरे अल्फाज में हम कह सकते हैं कि organ basically tissues के एक ग्रुप को कहा जाता है. जिस तरह cells combine हो जाते हैं same shape वाले, same functions वाले, they form tissues. इसी तरह से tissues combine हो जाते हैं मुख्तलिफ किस्म के tissues. मुख्तलिफ किस्म के tissues combine हो जाते हैं, वो एक ग्रुप बनाते हैं और सारे ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स एक पर्टिकुलर काम करते हैं, एक खास काम करते हैं. इसको कहा जाता है ऑर्गन. ठीक है जी, दोबारा डेफिनेशन सीख लें. वंस अगेन, अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा आसान कर रहा हूं. सेल्स कंबाइन हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, वो स्ट्रक्चर में भी सेम होते हैं, शेप में भी सेम होते हैं, सेम फंक्शंस भी करते हैं. इसको कहा जाता है टिश्यूज. And when tissues combine together, different kinds of tissues combine together, they form a group of cells or a group of tissues which we call organ. Tissues combine हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, वो एक organ बनाते हैं. और ये combinations क्यों होता है? These tissues are combined to perform a specific function. बॉडी के अंदर, चाहे वो एनिमल की बॉडी हो या प्लांट की बॉडी हो, उसके अंदर मुख्तलिफ किस्म के फंक्शंस होते हैं. इन फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए बॉडी के अंदर ऑर्गन्स मौजूद हैं. और ये ऑर्गन किस चीज़ से बनते हैं? ऑर्गन बनते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ टिश्यूज से. टिश्यूज कंबाइन हो जाते हैं, वो ऑर्गन्स बना लेते हैं. ऑर्गन बॉडी के अंदर मुख्तलिफ फंक्शंस करते हैं. प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर भी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, एनिमल बॉडी के अंदर भी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं. नाउ we are coming towards few examples of organs. First example, different kinds of organs in the bodies of animal. Heart. Heart is an example of organ. Heart आप जानते हैं, heart हमारी body की यहाँ पे located है. What is the function of heart? The function of heart is to pump blood. It pumps blood across the body. Body के अंदर blood की distribution करवाना heart का काम होता है. इसी तरह से लंग्स, लंग्स एक दूसरा ऑर्गन है, कहाँ पे है हमारे बॉडी के अंदर? लोकेशन ऑफ लंग्स इज थॉरिक्स और चेस्ट कैविटी। ये हमारा जो चेस्ट रीजन्स हैं, यहाँ पे लंग्स मौजूद हैं। मैंने डायग्राम से बना लिया है, दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ लंग्स। ये कहाँ पे मौजूद होता है? इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द थॉरिक्स और थोरेसिक कैविटी और चेस्ट कैविटी। इस जगह को हम थॉरिक्स भी कहते हैं, चेस्ट कैविटी भी कहा जाता है और थोरेसिक कैविटी भी कहा जाता है। नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स? लंग्स क्या काम करता है? रिमेंबर, द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स इज टू ऑक्सीजनेट आवर ब्लड। What is the function of lungs? The function of the function of lungs. The function of lungs is to oxygenate our blood. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड मौजूद है। ब्लड बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड उठा लेता है, लंग्स के पास आ जाता है। लंग्स ब्लड में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिमूव करवा देता है, उसके साथ ऑक्सीजन को ऐड करवा देता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट द ब्लड takes that oxygen to every cells, every part of the body, right? So what is the function of lungs? The function of lungs is to oxygenate the blood. Okay. Next organ is stomach. Where is stomach located? Stomach is located here in this region, just below the rib cage. Rib cage के थोड़े से नीचे हम कह सकते हैं it is located. Now what is the function of stomach? In previous classes you might have studied the function of stomach. Stomach is an organ which bring about the digestion of food. जो कुछ भी हम खाते हैं वो stomach में चला जाता है। Stomach के अंदर with mechanical process and chemical process that food is broken down to small molecules, and then those small molecules are assimilated in the blood or absorbed in the blood. The function of stomach to digest the food. Next organ is intestines. Below the stomach there are two kinds of intestines in our body. One we call the small intestine and the other we call the large intestine. The small intestines and the large intestines. These intestines are also examples of organs. What are the functions of these intestines? Remember, these intestines also bring about the process of digestions and also absorptions. In small intestines, the food is digested and also absorbed, and same likewise in large intestine, the food is basically the water, the minerals and the vitamins are absorbed in the large intestines. Okay, I repeat again. Small intestines and large intestines are examples of organ, and their function is to bring about the digestion of food and absorptions also. Next one is brain. Brain is the most important part of our body. It is a very important organ, a very delicate organ. Where is brain? Brain is located inside our skull. यहाँ पे मौजूद है। यहाँ पे it is located, or you can say enclosed in a bony structure called cranium. Cranium के अंदर मौजूद है, and what is its function? Its functions you all know, it control all our body activities. Body के तमाम activities control करना इसका काम होता है. Next, eyes. These are our eyes, and what is the function of eyes? This is the simple diagram of eyes. What is the function of eye? Eye tells us the light changes occurring in our surrounding. हमारे सराउंडिंग में लाइट के जो भी चेंजेस आते हैं या जो चीज़ें हमारे सराउंडिंग में मौजूद हैं वो सारे हम देखते हैं with the help of our eyes. These are the examples of organs in animals. Now, second example from the plant body. In plant body, different kinds of organs are roots, stem, and leaves. Root, stem, and leaves. These are the examples of organ in plant body. I have drawn a diagram here. These are roots, these are stem, and these are leaves. And you know the functions well. Root absorb water and minerals, and leaves bring about the process of photosynthesis. They are green in color. They carried out photosynthesis. Some stems are also green in color when they possess chlorophyll. those stems which possess chlorophyll, they also bring about the process of photosynthesis. Some stems also store different kinds of food materials, right? I repeat again: root, stem, and leaves. These are the examples of organs in plant bodies. They also do different kinds of jobs. Leaves are green in color. They bring about the process of photosynthesis, or they do photosynthesis in our body. Stem, if the stem is in green color, they will also do photosynthesis, right? And if it is not of green colors, then they store food and do other different kinds of activities that provide support. What is the function of roots? Roots anchor the plant inside the soil, and they also absorb water and minerals from the soils, right? This is all about the organ. Your today homework is write a note on organs. Write a note on organs. It's enough. You have to explain what are organs. Explain organs by definitions, give few examples of organs, and also draw few diagrams, right? How you can answer these questions? You have to define organ, you have to explain organ, you have to give examples of organ, and you also draw few diagrams of organs, right? Okay, thank you so much. This is the end of the lecture. Inshallah, see you again.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.